Hello and welcome back. If you're just joining me, my name is Hun. My channel is all about making better coffee at home. This morning I'm going to review the tumbler from Camelbak. I'm going to shout out to Camelbak to sending me this to review one of their products. They sent me 3 different cups, but I'm planning on reviewing most of them. But today we are going to review the tumbler. Okay, I'm really excited about this product because I haven't found good coffee mug, inside my car. So let's try this one out. And my plan is I'm gonna make delicious coffee, and I'm gonna check the temperature first, okay? And then hopefully let's find out how long it's gonna be kept warm throughout the day. So let's make some coffee. So this morning we are going to use, it's called Ex-Wife from Cold Black Coffee Roasters in Australia. Just finished making this delicious long black coffee. You know what? So this is vacuum sealed, insulated. Even though this is really hot, but I don't feel the heat coming out from the cup here, this tumbler. So, let's check the temperature right now. So it's about, let's see, 180, around 185 degree here, 184, 185. So I'm just gonna seal it. And then I'm gonna take to my work and see how long it's gonna be keep it warm, okay? Let's find out.
Yeah, that sounds super wrong.
It's about 3 hours since I made this coffee. You know what? Let's check the temperature. It's about 138, 140. So about 140 degree right now. So I'm gonna try this. Still hot. Okay, 140 degree. It's not burning hot, but it's still a little hotter. So if I'm gonna wait about, by the way, just keep it really warm since this is a vacuum insulated inside. So outside is very, I don't want to say cold, but very cool to hold on to. Feels really good. And pretty much if you put cold, keep it cold for a long time. Put hot for half a really long time. So far I'm really pleased with it, and everything is just well built. Okay, well built. So I'm gonna put the link down below if you want some more information. Anyway, so this is really good. So next few days I'm going to test some more Camelbak product as well. So I hope this video helps, and if you have any questions or comment down below, and make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. See you guys next time.